historic opportunities that the times have given us, and create brilliance together. Accumulation for 20 years, give you the best today. Focus on cutting, serving the world. The product is perfect, the after-sales service is thoughtful. Choose top cutting machine, start your road to success. Plus, compared with other competitors, the new design digital cutters have the advantages like below. 1. With high precision CCD positioning function, the cutting is more accurate. 2. With 3 years warranty and in-time after-sales team. 3. Expert assembling team and select the strongest aluminum casted machine table and Taiwan linear guide drive system, accuracy plus or minus 0.1 mm. 4. Improves cutting efficiency and helps customers maintain a high cutting rate competition level. 5. The combination of software and digital cutting machine provides an intelligent cutting platform to form a perfect advertising production system, and also our control system compatible software will be upgraded half a year for free. 6. With Germany Schneider Electrical Parts, Germany Agus Cables and Germany or Japan Servo Motors and Drivers. 7. Japan Panasonic Auto Tool Sensor available. 8. With high-end control stand. 9. Newest designs released every year to cater to your specific needs. 10. Expert pre-production, process and samples tests, quality tests and quality control system strictly in accordance with ISO quality control system.